Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to remove phone number from Instagram. If you are using Instagram and now you want to remove your phone number from Instagram account, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Instagram app, and here you have to select your profile in the bottom right corner. Just tap on it, and here just select the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Just tap on it. Here just select account center. In the account center, you'll get the option of personal details. Just tap on it, and here select contact info, and here you have to select your phone number. And phone number, if you want to delete your phone number from Facebook and Instagram also, you just have to select delete number. But if you want to delete only from Instagram, so select Instagram, and here you have to select delete from Instagram. Tap on it, and after that just tap on delete, and in this way you can easily remove your phone number from your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.